Hey guys! Oh, finally made it to the top of this wall. As you can see, I have so many needles. I've tried a ton of needles in the past 5 years. I'm so fortunate to have been sent all these cool needles. However, I keep coming back to my favorite one, the only one that I use in my shop on a daily basis, is the Dragonhawk U needle. I've done comparisons before with this needle on the silicone, so that's not what we're doing today. Today, I want you to look at all the clips of me actually using the Dragonhawk U needle in my shop. But don't forget to like and subscribe before you watch. Okay, let's take a look. I remember that. Oh, hey guys, you're back. I have the needles right here to show you. The Dragonhawk U needle and the Mast Pro 2 needle. The Dragonhawk U needle is my absolute favorite. It holds the most ink and performs the most beautifully in my opinion. The price of the Dragonhawk U needle is about $25 to $35. So if you want to save a little bit of money, I also love this Mast Pro 2 needle. That needle is about $15 to $25 depending on the needle grouping. You can also get an extra 10% off if you use our code FloatyTattoo at checkout on dragonhawkofficial.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.